Hey guys, David here, and this is a unboxing and first impression video on the Moft Float. This is Moft's latest product, which is an adjustable stand and case for your iPad, and when I first saw this product, I just knew I had to get my hands on it, and here it is. I do want to mention real quick that this product was given to me by Moft, but everything I'm saying today are my own thoughts and opinions, and Moft won't be seeing this video until it's been uploaded publicly here on YouTube. Now, if you're not familiar with Moft, they make a ton of accessories for smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Their designs have a clean and minimalistic look with some added functionality to them as well. And if you find this video useful and want to see more first impressions, unboxing, and tech reviews, make sure to leave a like on this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Now with that out of the way, let's begin. Starting off with the box and packaging, we have the Moft Float, and this one's for the iPad Pro 11-inch, but it's also available for the iPad Pro 12-inch and the iPad Air. The only color option you have right now is black, but hopefully they'll add some more in the future. On the back of the box, we are shown a quick overview highlighting the Moft Float, like an adjustable viewing height of up to 3.15 inches off the ground, and a slim and light product weighing at under 400 grams for this model. We're also shown the various modes that you can have your Moft Float set to, which we'll go into more details for each one in a bit. These modes have been implemented in the past before, such as this product here, the Moft Snap-on Wallet. I did make a review on this product, so if you want to check it out, I'll include a link in the description box down below. And out of the box, we are given the Moft Float along with a tempered glass screen protector, which is very nice of them considering that's the first thing that people buy when they purchase a new tablet or a smartphone. Now, I've been using the Moft Float for about a week now, and these are my first impressions. Starting off with what I like about it, the functionality. There are 4 modes you can set your iPad to when using the Moft Float. There is floating, stable, portrait, and foldable mode. Starting out with floating mode, it raises the screen higher while in a landscape orientation. I found this mode really useful when I'm at my desk because I can use it as an external monitor by enabling AirPlay display. This is a good way to watch YouTube videos, keeping track of the stock market, or checking your messages on Discord. Next up is stable mode. It's essentially the same as floating mode, still in the landscape orientation, but the iPad's on the ground level in order to give it more stability. Stability, stable mode. See what you did there, Moft? You can flip it upside down and still be able to use it since there are these tiny rubber pads on the base to prevent it from sliding off. I was using this mode a lot when editing photos in Lightroom, and it really does help a lot so you can adjust the angle to however you like. The next mode we have is portrait mode. Simply put, this is having your iPad in a vertical orientation. Great for editing portraits in Lightroom or reading an ebook. And lastly is foldable mode. It's basically when you're done using your iPad and you have to head out, just fold it and shut. Now I consider myself as someone who's productive and likes to multitask, so this is perfect for me since I can really utilize all the different modes that the Moft Float has to offer. Now while having these different modes is really nice, it is a bit tricky to set up since you need to pull the hinge out and it seems a bit tough, so hopefully it'll loosen up a bit over time. I also make the mistake of trying to pull the kickstand out from the wrong side, but I guess I just have to train my brain to pull out from the left side. Plus there's this arrow right over here to indicate which side to open it from. Aside from that, I really do like the build quality, which I'll talk a bit about right now. The case itself is made out of TPU and has a nice smooth touch to it. The hinge is made out of metal, and that might concern some people that will scratch the iPad, but actually, there is a back cover that prevents that from happening. And the outer surface base over here seems to have a really nice soft texture to it, like silicone, while the inner surface has a smooth fabric-like texture, like suede or velvet. The power and volume buttons are easy to press and feel, as well as the cutouts for the speakers and the port are precise, but maybe a bit too precise since I can't seem to plug my USB-C hub into it. So at times, I would have to lift the iPad off the case in order to connect it. Now here are some of my concerns. I'm not sure if it's just my product, but I noticed that the kickstand doesn't close completely flat. You can see here if I press my finger down, the kickstand goes in more, but still leaves a bit of gap when I let go. Not a huge issue, but just something I'd point out. And lastly, when using the Moft Float in floatable mode, it tends to wobble a bit when interacting with the screen. So I wish there was a way to make it not wobble as much, maybe have a heavier base, but I guess that's why the stable mode and floatable mode is probably meant to be used for viewing purposes only, like watching YouTube videos. Also, if you guys have any concerns or questions that I didn't cover in the video, make sure to leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer them for you. Aside from that though, I really do like how Moft pays close attention to detail, such as how there's an arrow marker to tell you where to pull and lift the kickstand out, or how the placement for the Apple Pencil is actually deeper in order for the magnet to secure and charge the Apple Pencil. And I really like how clean and minimalist the case design is, just like with Moft's other product lines. Now let's talk about pricing before we get into the conclusion. The Moft Float is available in the iPad Air 2020, iPad Pro 11-inch, and 12.9-inch. It even works with the newly announced iPad Pro 2021 model, but just for the 11-inch model only. The smaller size retails for $49.99 USD, while the larger iPad Pro will cost you $5 more. They also sell it in a combo pack, which includes a Bluetooth keyboard. You can use any keyboard, but the one that is selling is very compact, so you can do a tri-fold, so it's great for portability. During the making of this video, they are having a sale on the Moft Float, so make sure you don't miss out. So if you're interested and want to grab one yourself, I'll include a referral link down below in the description box. So you might be wondering what I think about the Moft Float. I like it. Just like with the previous Moft product that I review, I really like how clean and minimalist it looks with the added functionality as well. And I really like this product a lot because it's exactly like the Moft Snap-on wallet that I have, except bigger. So what would I like to see next or future improvements? Well, I would really like it if they had a cover for the screen. I noticed that I was wiping my screen more since dust gets caught on, and that wasn't an issue with my previous case, which had a cover. And it will help give some added protection and security when traveling around with it. And lastly, I would like to see more color options, since there's only black available, but I would like to see something like gray or white, since those are my favorite colors. Now let me know what you guys think about the Moft Float, and if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments down below as well, and I will try my best to answer them for you or cover them in my full review. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related videos like unboxing, first impressions, and full reviews. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!